welcome to BlackXense Graphics. Today we want to remove text from our image. So without much ado, let's jump straight into Photoshop. First of all, make sure your layer is not locked. So double click on the layer to unlock it. So now go to lasso tool. Select your lasso tool and make selection around the text nicely like this. So when you are done, go to select, color range. So pick the color of the text that you have on the picture, then click OK. Go back to the select, modify, expand. Select 10 pixels, then click OK. Now let's go to edit, content aware fill. Now as you can see, the text is no more here. Click, apply, then OK. Ctrl+D to deselect. And now we're good to go. You see, your text is gone. Your text is gone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.